Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Noorani Qaida and lesson number 1, part 3. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to pronounce the Arabic alphabets with the help of pictures. Kindly copy these pictures and my pronunciation. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Qaf. Kindly read after me. Qaf. Qaf comes from the back of the tongue and throat to pronounce Qaf. Qaf. This is Kaf. Kindly read after me. Kaf. Kaf comes from the back of the tongue to pronounce Kaf. Kaf. This is Lam. Kindly read after me. Lam. Lam comes from tongue, touches the front roof of the mouth to pronounce Lam. Lam. This is Mim. Kindly read after me. Mim. Mim comes from the lips to pronounce Mim. Mim. This is Noon. Kindly read after me. Noon. Noon comes from tongue, touches the roof of mouth, and air throw out from nose side to pronounce Noon. Noon. This is Wow. Kindly read after me. Wow. Wow comes from the lips like round circle to pronounce wow. Wow. This is Ha. Kindly read after me. Ha. Ha comes from the back of the throat to pronounce Ha. Ha. This is Hamza. Kindly read after me. Hamza. Hamza comes from the back of the throat to pronounce Hamza. Hamza. This is Ya. Kindly read after me. Ya. Ya comes from the middle of the tongue to pronounce Ya. Ya. This is Ya. Kindly read after me. Ya. Ya comes from the middle of the tongue to pronounce ya, ya. For more Qaida videos, please subscribe our channel and also like and share. Jazakallahu khairan.